everyone. So this is my Google Classroom that I created. This is for 8th grade math students. This course is specifically about Chapter 7, which focuses on real numbers, meaning cube root and square root, and also using Pythagorean theorem. So I'm going to show you how my course works. This is a strictly online course. So I'm going to go up here and go to classwork. So this is where you will find most of the information that I've added. So I have a class introduction. And then here it just says welcome to Miss Pearson's 8th grade course. And then I have my course syllabus. So on the syllabus, I talk about what are the goals of this course, what are they going to be learning. You'll see that I have the math standards that are connected with this course. Then the learning targets are right here. I have some rules, some expectations that I have with the online course, making sure that they are following the student conduct, making sure that they are following our district policies for online use. I go into grading and how they're being graded and how they earn points, then also retakes being available. So this is my course syllabus. Then if I go back to classwork, the first lesson that I have created is right here, and it is review of order of operations. So before we jump into Chapter 7 and learning about the real numbers and Pythagorean theorem, we're going to review and go back over some math concepts that they're going to need to know. So they're going to need to understand order of operation when we're evaluating expressions with cube root and square root, and they're also going to need to be able to compare decimals. So I have right here a Google Doc that I've created, and this basically outlines all of the assignments for the week or for this specific task or lessons for the review. At the top of this Google document, I have a checklist so the students can check and make sure that they have turned in all the assignments that are due or that they'll be receiving a grade for. Then I also have my learning goals for these 3 days of lessons, because it's Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Then I broke down each day. I included videos that they can watch, example math problems. Then it has what their assignment is. And for all their assignments, the links are there. So if they're completing IXL, there's the link for IXL. If they're doing a Google form or a Google quiz, the link is also already on this Google document. Now, if I go back to classwork, the classwork tab, I also have those links right here. So I have the IXL review. They can click it right here. Here's another IXL order of operation. Then that Google quiz that I created is right here, and I can click it. Then this is the Google quiz or quick check to basically see, do they have the background knowledge? Are they ready to move towards moving to the concepts that we introduced in 7.1. The next unit that I created is actually vocabulary, so I can build some background knowledge about the Chapter 7 vocab, and there's just some assignments that they have to work through there. So you'll see I've worked on creating that, so I kind of already have kind of my lesson 2. So I have Chapter 7 vocabulary. Then there are many different assignments there. Again, I did the same thing where I have a Google document that lays out the whole format of the next few days for the students and everything that they need to turn in. Then we'll go into 7.1, 7.2, 7.3, 7.4. Then they're going to have a unit project where they're going to pick a scenario that they have to apply Pythagorean theorem to, and then there will be a final assessment. So that is kind of the overview of the course that I've created.